So what you're seeing here is the top with the intention of what I want to do here with plugs and butterfly mortises. These are some extras. You know, if you're going to take the time to make these things, make a bunch of extras, put them in a jar. You got them for next time. You don't have to waste time making them. So here we got this big knot structure. It's going to be a pain in the butt to deal with. So let's put a plug on that. Same thing here. Plug that. Same thing here. We're going to plug that. In this crack here, we'll put a butterfly. Got some issues here. It's going to peel up and bust away, so I want to plug that. This is a bad crack with a lot of lifting. It might not read on camera, so I want to just kind of make that disappear. These will obviously all be flush and sanded smooth. Now where it was peeling up, I decided I could carve this out, and I don't mind that. We're gonna keep in mind, this is not a perfect table, right? What I mean there is it's gonna have imperfections, so it's okay. I can actually place imperfections into the top. A few divots here and there, it doesn't matter. It's gonna get beat up. So the client wanted to keep this void, but the problem is this is all falling apart, and there's a lot of glue in here, and you can't have that. It looks like crap. So I'm gonna put a plug here, but I'm going to keep this triangle hole that goes all the way through, and I have an idea of something I might want to do there. I'll jam some wood in here. A little plug here. This is fun because it's just this little knot hole, so we're going to put a little tiny plug right there. And now you guys kind of understand. The interesting thing is these butterflies are pretty tiny. This is a 1/4 inch bit. I've barely got enough room to get that bit to pass through the center when I'm removing material. So hopefully that'll work out well. And that's it. This is just the table layout for butterflies and Dutchman patches. Let's see how this all works out. Okay, so I think I've got all of the butterfly mortises in. They're all a little different, and I'll tell you, something happened here. It never happened before. This router is kind of new to me. I haven't used it a whole lot. I have used it. I love it. It spins at a really nice, smooth, high RPM. Obviously, it's adjustable. There's a speed adjustment on it here. And I don't know why or how it happened, but the collet was a little bit loose, and the bit was moving up and down when I first started. And it wasn't until like the 4th butterfly mortise when I discovered that that was happening. It actually happened while I was doing a plug. This plug right here. So I did a couple of the plugs, Dutchman patches, and I got all the butterflies in, I believe. So, but it was moving up and down. So like this one's a little deeper, this one's proud, and I'm not gonna. I mean, most of them are gonna be pretty flush. This one will end up being pretty flush. I wanted you to see that too when I wet it. You can see how light this walnut looks, but when you wet it. I've shown this to you guys before, just reaching over here. You see how dark it gets, and like right here. So this kind of gives you an idea of approximately what the tabletop is going to look like. It'll be a little richer than that. That looks real sharp. So a lot more work to do still, but it's getting there. I'm pretty stoked. Got to get these Dutchman patches in. This whole triangle system here is going to be a little kooky, but I'll get that done. So there's really just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, seven more Dutchman patches to put in. I will do those tomorrow morning because it's 5 o'clock. It's about 10 after 5 now. Yeah, I'm done. I'm beat up. I'm tired. I'm going to call it a day. We'll see how it goes tomorrow, whether or not I even show this to you. I might not. I think the next thing you guys might see is when I'm working on the breadboard edges, which I'll probably start tomorrow. I'll get these Dutchman patches hopefully done in the morning, and then later in the day start working on doing these breadboard edges. So it's coming along. It's coming along pretty well. I'm happy. It's a funny thing because I mentioned it earlier, I think, in this video. This doesn't have to be perfect. As a matter of fact, the more imperfectly perfect I make it, perfectly imperfect, the better. Because these little details will be cool. Like I wanted to hint at this rustic thing here. So even though I'm pretty precise on my butterflies, that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoy this. Have a great day. I know that my client Patricia is watching all these videos, so this is for you, baby. You're getting what you wanted. I hope you're happy. I'll catch you all in the next one. Have a great day. Be kind to one another. And you know what, man? Do what I'm doing, man. Figure it out. Learn how to do stuff. Teach yourself some skills. Because if I could do this, you could do this. It just takes practice. Do anything 100 times, you're good at it. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.